Um, if you've been, playing around with Midjourney and you're looking for like a, you probably run out of your free 25 image trial with Midjourney, but you're not sure yet if you want to kind of, go ahead with the subscription plan. Well, I got you a free alternative. Now, um, this software was just released like in December, so it's still pretty new. Still like in the beta testing phase. Some stuff everything ain't there yet. But as far as production goes, it is pretty good. I say it's better than Dali. I mean, Dali ain't not really none. It's better than that. So it's on par with Midjourney. In terms of how creative and how stylish, AI art can be. And basically, the name of this software or the name of this AI text to image is called Blue Willow, and it's free. You just join, sign up, and you pretty much run it the same way you run Midjourney. It has its own Discord server, and you go in the Discord server, and then from there you can kind of create your own images and stuff. For now, I already have me a subscription with Midjourney, and Midjourney still has an edge simply because it has been out a lot longer, and there's still some areas where I feel like Midjourney stands out more than Blue Willow. But the fact that Blue Willow just came out and it's already producing this quality, Midjourney ain't gonna be on top for a long time. I can say that. So so you come over here, you join the beta. It's free for now. You have unlimited images. So you come in, join the Discord server. You go to the rookies. As you can see, they got different servers and stuff you can use, but I just go to the rookie. And so let's see how we can compare. Let's see the comparison between Blue Willow and Midjourney AI. Let's see which one really is the best right now. Although I still kind of think Midjourney is, but Blue Willow is pretty good too. So let's see. So we're gonna generate the same image on both, and then we're gonna compare it. So for this is Blue Willow. So I'm gonna say it's the same, exactly the same. You use image, use prompt. Prompt. So let's say let's do what he's done. A Pixar style cartoon image of an impala holding an ice cream cone. And the benefits of Blue Willow in comparison to Midjourney is it's pretty quick. So you're gonna get your results pretty quick, unlike Midjourney, where if you're in the rookie rooms, it might take you a while. This one is almost instant. So that is another point you gotta know as well. So let's go back. So a Pixar style cartoon image of an impala holding an ice cream cone, and we're gonna say Real Engine. We're gonna say dash AR32. We're gonna say 8K. And then we're gonna copy this. And then we're gonna go to Midjourney. And we're gonna do the same thing. Hold on one second. let's see. See what I'm saying? I already got mine back. Here we go. There's one. And let's see from Midjourney. Okay, well, this is the difference between Midjourney. Midjourney is still kind of up there, even though the image is kind of it gave me an impala's head in a cone. Okay, let me try another one and try to see if I can make it more precise. So it be like that sometimes, man. Everything's just bugging. There you go. So then I'm gonna go to Blue Willow, and I'm gonna paste as well. Prompt, and I'm gonna paste it. And let's see. All right. So this is the image from Blue Willow, as you can see. It's not really holding the ice cream, but I like this one right here, the third one, and it's pretty good. You can see it's pretty good. So I'm gonna upscale this one, and we're gonna go to the new one. Midjourney is pretty good. So we're gonna upscale the fourth one. It's pretty good. The fourth one, and we're gonna compare them side by side and see. Although you can clearly already see the difference in quality. This is crazy. This has a lot of details. It's pretty well detailed, as you can see, the hairs and stuff. It's pretty good. It's just the teddy bear wasn't holding the ice cream like I wanted it to, but the ice cream still looks good. It looks like an ice cream, something like that. And this one over here is, especially this one. You know what? I'm also upscaling Vision 2. And it's the same prompt. I didn't change one thing. I used the exact same prompt, I used the same prompt in Midjourney and Blue Willow. And you can see the difference. So it's not like I did anything separate. It's not like I did anything separate. Hold on. You thief. He copied my stuff. But some of the images are really good. Christopher Nolan as Joker. I don't know if this is Christopher Nolan, but you can see some of the images. It's outputting is, it's good. And with time, as they continue to push out newer versions and updated versions, you can see how this would really be on par with Midjourney. And this is only 1 month old. It's not even 1 month old. It's pretty new compared to Midjourney, and already it's giving us very artistic images. Now this is beautiful. So let's go back and see. So let's see side by side. You can see this is exactly what crusty feet. But you can see how it's more like a Pixar animation. The ice cream and everything is very cartoonish. Something you'll see in like a Pixar movie. This one, on the other hand, is pretty good, but it's not what I would expect if I was writing a prompt for like a Pixar style or something like that. But still, this is pretty impressive as well. You can see how detailed it is. Even when you zoom in, you can see the hairs and stuff. So let's try another one. Let's see another one. Let's try hold on. Star Citizen spaceship floating over the seas. And then we're gonna say Star Citizen style. We're gonna say Unreal Engine. I'm also gonna say let's see what 8K, of course. Sun rays, we're gonna do obtain render AR32, and I'm gonna copy this and let's see what's gonna put out. And then we're gonna take the same and we're gonna go over here to Blue Willow, put it in, remove this, put it out. Let's see. This dude just pretty much stole my idea. A teddy bear. Well, it's not my idea. It's just, I mean, you just copied and pasted my prompt. Well, they're trying it. They're trying different variations. Impressive, huh? And it's taking its sweet time. All right, let's see which one. So there you go. This is crazy. So this is what it's gonna look like from Midjourney. As you can see, we're gonna put it in its own web browser. We're gonna go to Blue Willow. I'm guessing this is it. See if he has a setting. Still think of beast mode. Alright, we're gonna put this side by side. And you can see this is what Blue Willow was able to output. The quality is pretty different. I'm thinking maybe it's my settings, but I'm not really familiar with Blue Willow yet to be able to go and mess with the settings. But I was trying to see if I could do it right here, but I'm stripping. See the server. Let's see, beast mode. It says what? I don't have enough permission required. Okay. Alright. So maybe that ain't it. But as you can see, this is Blue Willow right here. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty, you know. And then this is Midjourney. This is what you're gonna get with Midjourney. It looks exactly what you would think. If you've ever played the game Star Citizens, this is exactly how the spaceships and starships look. So Midjourney knows what it's doing. It's pretty good. Whereas this is like, I don't know. But it's the same prompt. I didn't change anything. It's the exact same prompt as you can see. If I can find it. From here, as you can see, it's the exact same prompt as I put in Midjourney and in Blue Willow. So far so good. I still think Midjourney is still top notch, still number one. But simply for the fact that Blue Willow is free, and not just that it's free, you also have unlimited amount of images you can create, and it's not that bad. It really is. It's just new, so of course you can't expect too much. But the very fact that it can create high quality images just like Midjourney, I think it has a huge potential. In a few months, we will start to really see these two, you know, dug it out and like, you know. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.